Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the live tour of TIMTOS TMTS 2022, the largest in Taiwan and the very first mega machine tool show in the world this year. I'm your guide, Raymond, and next we're going to enter the world of precision machining. So let's go. Everyone, just follow me. We're coming to the second company, EXCETEK, and it's just across the street. Let's go. All right, everybody, we are coming to EXCETEK, an expert of wire EDM. And joining me right now, we have the president, Richard, and also we have the sales director, Tony, and also the sales director, Jimmy there. Okay, so Richard, Tony, and Jimmy, would you start by saying hi to our viewers?
Hi, good afternoon. I'm Richard Zhang, president of EXCETEK Technology.
Yes, and would you start by introducing EXCETEK a little bit to our viewers, Richard?
Okay. EXCETEK Technology main production is for wire cut EDM, die sinker EDM, and EDM driller. So this time we main is introduce our intelligent machine and our IoT solution and automation.
Okay.
So that's our sales manager, Tony Lu, to introduce our very high precision for the wire cut EDM machine.
Yeah, and I know you have a logo, right?
Yeah.
That's very important. Innovation is very important for EXCETEK,
Yeah.
right?
Our slogan is Spark Your Innovation.
Yes, it's in the back there. Spark your innovation. Yeah, that's the driving force for EXCETEK to keep growing and to be stronger and to keep winning the market, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go and let's check out the very exciting product here. So over to Tony. Let's go, let's go.
Hello everybody, my name is Tony Lu. I would like to introduce our NP series. This is our smaller the size of the machine, NP400L. This is making by the linear motor. The 400 is mean SY turbo is 400, 300, and the UV turbo is 80 by 80. The Z higher is about 220. So this one, we have upgraded our CNC controller unit. We use the Intel CPU. We
there
upgrade.
You can see the monitor there.
Yeah, we upgrade the CPU for Intel J1900, 1.99 gigahertz. This is improved our post processor, the 6 times. And also, this machine, we are using new driver system.
Yeah.
We use the EXCETEK, the new servo system. The new servo system can improve our of the cycle time. The servo cycle time
more
from
efficient.
from the before the 4 milliseconds, we improved to the 1 millisecond. And this machine, we show the WSS cutting under the water.
Yeah,
and
what's happening under
yeah,
the water here?
we have the auto wire trading under the water. The underwater, and they were automatic cutting the wire.
Wow.
And the simulation, yeah, and the auto wire trading. So you can see. And also the WSS, mostly we can cut in the lights, this kind of the sample.
That's what
so
you can do?
You can this direction for cutting. And we use our DPM function. You can use the up and lower the floating cutting.
Wow.
The more performance, the more high speed and the accuracy also. And this machine, and also we have a provider. This is a smaller gear.
Okay.
And we have a corner control function to make sure of this cutting is more accuracy on the corner. So this is our smaller machine.
All right.
And next,
we have going one more here.
Yeah. For our middle-sized machine, this is NP600P.
That's a smaller one, and
this is a
middle-sized machine.
Yeah, and this machine we prefer. We use the temperature, the control system. We use the accuracy of the chiller to make sure that all the machine body with the same temperature, and to improve the cutting accuracy. And also this machine, we are using the CPU of the NP
the same
series.
CPU. Okay.
Yeah, so this we have upgrade, so the most faster and EXCETEK, the processor is more accuracy and more faster. And this one, we have include of the touch probe. And the touch probe is online measuring system.
Okay.
When you after cutting the part, and you can measure your part accuracy, and also you can use the touch probe to have a measure your workpiece of the like direction
Okay.
and the plane of the angle. You can adjustment. And most of the EV car right now with application, you need to use the electronic motor, and this show that this is the part is electronic, the motor, the inside the coil of the motor. So you can see this is very accuracy. Yeah, you can. This is accuracy part. This is punch, and then this is, you can make it on the hole.
Very sophisticated,
Yeah,
everybody.
very precise. You can see this one is very accuracy. So this is making the electronic of the EV car for the
Okay.
motor. This is most popular right now. The we are
This is
application.
the most popular.
And also this is
product
more
right now
accuracy.
from
Yeah,
EXCETEK.
you
Okay.
require the accuracy. Yeah.
Okay,
Okay.
very accurate, very precise, very impressive. Okay, everybody.
Yeah, right. Okay, next we will introduce another system by the Jimmy.
Okay. So before we move on to the next product, I just saw these screens in the back. So I'm just wondering, Jimmy, could you just give us a very brief introduction?
Oh, yeah. So in the monitor, we have e-learning and e-link. So the e-learning is the online education system. So customer can easily to learn the operation through the e-learning. Especially this moment, the engineer cannot go abroad. So customer even can through the e-learning to learn the machine himself. And the next is the e-link. The e-link is the remote monitor system. So it can connect all other machines.
Okay.
So customer can monitor his factory, all the machines over the world, anywhere, through computer or the mobile phone, like this. Yeah.
Okay, thank you so much, Jimmy. Interconnection and real-time monitoring,
Yeah.
right? Okay, so let's move on to the last one. We are actually saving the best to the last, okay? So
Okay.
we have Richard here. Yeah, Richard is going to show us one more product. All right, here we are.
Okay, so I will introduce our automation system. So this is this year we development for the automation system. It's ATX80
ATX80, okay.
tool magazine system. So they can load 80 electro or workpiece, and the other for the 12 more heavy workpiece.
Wow,
Now
that's
this,
a lot.
yeah. So this unit we are joined with a 5-axis small hole driller EDM machine, and our drop tank style for
Yes.
the die sinker EDM machine.
Uh-huh.
So you can look there.
Yeah, you can see the monitor there.
There's from the CAD/CAM to build for the GM code,
Okay.
and then you go to our system. We call CPS center. So they can from this system to compile the the programming and workpiece to this machine and this machine.
So it's all connected,
Yeah, yeah. Can
like
we-
all in one.
Yeah. So this is 5-axis, the EDM drill.
Yes.
What kind of parts you produce? So I can introduce.
Yeah, you're going to share with us some samples?
Yeah.
Sure.
For example, it is for aerospace, some turbine.
For
In-
aerospace.
Yeah. This turbine is there have a small hole.
Yeah,
This
here.
one, and this one by your eye also very difficult.
Yeah,
to-
really?
Yeah.
Yeah, you almost couldn't see it in naked eyes.
Yeah, so you use the EDM driller with the 5-axis, can be
With this one,
production
okay.
this kind
Wow.
of parts. Okay,
That was very impressive. And
and for this machine,
here,
it's our die sinker EDM machine, a very high accuracy and a high function. Let me introduce.
okay. All right. We can have a closer look here. And we have 1 more minute. I'm sorry, Richard.
This is one of the other turbine in the engine. So some of this kind of parts
Okay.
use the EDM job and use 5-axis for the mini machine. The
Okay.
tooling cannot go inside.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, you can see this corner is very small.
Mm-hmm.
So it's difficult by the mini machine. So we necessarily use die sinker EDM to
Okay.
do it.
To do that.
Okay. So we can see when we design
That one there.
for
Okay.
this
On the
turbine,
monitor.
and can be very quickly to create for this electro and by machining. And after measuring, we loading going to this ATX80, the
Okay.
system. And then we can automation to change the job. So I think that we can say we are ready for Industry 4, for automation, for intelligent machine, and then it's going every machine IoT.
Okay. Yeah, thank you so much to Richard from EXCETEK. EXCETEK is ready, everybody. So feel free to contact Richard and EXCETEK. And we're sorry we're running out of time here, but thank you so much for sharing with us so much within such a limited time. So I have to run.
Okay.
Thank you again. All the best. Okay.
Okay, all
Good
the
luck.
best.
Bye.
Thank you.